Hey, welcome back to the Crafty Nook. Today we're going to take a little bit of a look around, see how things might have changed a little bit. And I have an exciting announcement to make. And I kind of wanted to just take you along and show you what the Crafty Nook has evolved to, and show you that it's okay if you have a toddler bed covered in stuff in the middle of your craft room. Because I do. I also have things just sitting, so lots of stuff everywhere, a corner full of things. And I wanted to talk to you guys about some exciting things coming to the Crafty Nook. I need to change this. Those are strangers, and I'm ready to change them out. So here we are in the Crafty Nook. A few things have been added, including memberships for the channel. So I have reached a point in my channel growth, I'm working on a sewing journal, that I can now offer memberships, which gives you guys an opportunity to really connect with me on a, broader level, as well as support the channel so that I can keep creating content. Let me take you over here to see the piggies. Got this shelf with my rainbow of books. This is the Crafty Nook piggies. I've got two in there. It's Willow and Sage. So I'm trying to find somewhere for this to go. So memberships, there are 4 tiers. The first tier is the Crafters. It's $2.99, and you get priority reply to comments, loyalty badges, and as soon as I figure out some emojis, you'll get some of those. The next tier is the Nookers, and it is $6.99, and you get everything from the first tier. In addition to that, you get early access to new videos that I post. You'll get a shout out in each video that I post, and then you'll get members only access to videos and photo and status updates in the community tab. This is a stack of things that I'm going to be putting into journals. The next one is called Hanging in the Crafty Nook. It is $24.99, and you get everything from before, plus we will connect on social media. You'll get a link to a Facebook group, and there we can really connect and hang out, post our creations, have conversations, and really get to know each other. You also get a live crafting session once a month. I haven't decided what platform yet. I figured I would take a poll once we have people signed up for that. And then the last one is the Crafty Nook snail mail. So you get everything else from the previous tiers, plus for $49.99, you get a snail mail from the Nook. So you'll, in the Facebook group, there'll be a post for people of this tier where you can send me your address, and I will send you some snail mail every month. And then we will also be doing some kind of video crafting thing together that you get to choose. So you'll get to choose the content for a video of a project that you want to see done, in addition to everything else. So this is super exciting for me. I didn't think I'd ever make it to this stage in my channel, but you guys have really been so supportive, and I'm so excited to actually get to connect with you guys a little bit more in depth and on a broader, more personal level. And I cannot wait to see where we go from here. So, lots of things, lots of excitement. I have all this free time because I graduated finally. Let me show you this. I did show it in a haul. This is where I'm keeping all of my sewing things. So, and again, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm excited to see where we go next and what projects and fun things we create next. So thanks for hanging out in the Crafty Nook, and I'll see you next time.